Humans, plants, animals, the soil, bacteria, we've all evolved together. You can't just take one out of the system. Yet somehow people these days think that that's the case and that we'd be better off by doing so. The main thing I wanted to leave you with today is that you've been deceived. Meat is not hurting the environment or your precious little insides. There's 3.5 million years of meat eating that made us human and continue to keep us healthy today. Let's see the evidence by going through a 6-step journey, beginning with how we evolved. This is what early humans were eating. These animals made up the majority of our diet. There was plenty of megafauna roaming the earth and all major continents. We could easily hunt these animals, and they provided us with a bounty of fatty meat. We know this from radioisotope nitrogen levels from early human remains. There's actually over 27 lines of evidence showing early humans were high trophic level carnivores, the top of the food chain. We used tools in our superior intellect to become the apex predator. This changed our digestive system. We evolved away from subsisting on low-quality plant foods and instead required highly nutrient-dense animal foods. We can't ferment large amounts of plant foods like our ancestors. Our small intestine got longer, where we extracted nutrition from meat, and the hindgut got shorter, where plant fermentation takes place. We're a completely different species now, requiring different nutrition. Scientists believe early humans began scavenging carcasses. This slowly changed our stomach pH from our primate ancestors to something very acidic to be able to handle this. Our stomach acid pH is lower than many carnivores and similar to another scavenger, the hyena. There's much more of the science, but the point is we became human because of meat and animal fat. This is how our brains grew and we evolved from plant eaters. Our bodies evolved to thrive on the nutrition from meat and animal fat, and substitutes aren't as good. This data is from modern hunter-gatherers, which give us a window into our past. Although many giant animals died out, so we were forced to eat more plant foods. But as you can see, most societies are animal-based. Plants are a side dish or something we ate when we couldn't get an animal. We study these societies and find that plants are fallback foods. So what happened? For all of history, we knew animals were the pillar of health. We lost our way. We had some bad theories and did some bad science. So we have foods we've been eating for all of history over here, and then we have an influx of highly processed foods. We then went through 70 years of blaming health problems on red meat. This is deception number 1. Processed foods, sugar, refined grains, and vegetable oils are the real problem, not meat. They have the most damaging health effects. So how did we get this wrong?